Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Target Dollar Spot Bullseye Playground, whatever you call it, fall 2018 haul. You guys really wanted to see this, so I am bringing it to you. I do have tons of other fall videos and I am just trying to find the time to get them done, you guys. That's why I cannot be in this video today. I look like a hot mess express. It's just been so busy, so I hope you don't mind that I'm not in the video. So let's just get into it. Of course, I picked up some of these suede pumpkins. They were almost overstocked at my Target Dollar Spot. So last year, these were hard to find. This year, I don't know if it's just my Target, but they were in 3 different sections and there was probably 100 of them. But you guys, the color scheme at Target is so neutral this year. I could only find one orange one, and this is actually from the Halloween collection. I don't know if you can see that tag there. The Halloween collection has some with copper stems and I think some with just brown. And I'm not really crazy about the color scheme this year, you guys. Don't hate me. Don't come for me. It's just that I've done neutral for the past few years and I really want to add some more color. So, being that it's so neutral, it was hard for me to find anything new that I didn't already have. But neutral is so popular. I think a lot of you are going to love what you see there and some of the things that I'm hauling. So these white ones, I did get 3 of them. Here's the 3rd one. And I wasn't able to get like this white cream color last year. They flew off the shelves. So I got 3 this year. And I want to either add these into a garland or a wreath. I'm not 100% sure yet. So I got 3 of those. They also come in like army green, super light green, charcoal gray, and I think that's it. They might come in orange, but like I said, this is from the Halloween collection and they have pure white, cream, this color, orange, black, army green, and maybe navy blue. I'm not 100% sure on that. I forgot to mention these are $1 a piece. If you can see there, you probably can't. The lighting's really bad. I'm going to insert pictures so you can see these items better in a little bit better lighting, but I just wanted to get this video in while I could, and night was the only time. So they're $1 and well worth it. The next item that I have are these cupcake pedestals. They come out with these during every single season, I think. These are $1 a piece as well, and definitely another item that is well worth a single dollar. I have 2 already, but they're a little bit shorter, so I thought it was really cool that I now have some that are a little bit taller, and I'm going to be able to create some really cute vignettes for Halloween and for fall with these. Next, I picked up this little boxwood pumpkin. This was the only one left at my store. I think I've seen them in other people's videos in maybe white and maybe orange. I'm not 100% sure, but mine is in gray. And I was hoping to find like rusty tones at the Target Dollar Spot, like rust and amber, but they didn't have any of that at mine. And what little orange they did have was pretty much like a bright pumpkin orange, which is not really what I'm going for. I guess the suede pumpkin that I hauled is not a bright pumpkin orange, but that was the only thing I saw that wasn't like offensively orange. But anyway, so this is gray. I have an idea for this and the next item I'm going to show you. They're going to probably go in my coffee bar, which I'm so ready to get started on. So if you guys want to see a coffee bar decorate with me video this week or next week, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below letting me know, and I would be happy to bring that to you. I am so excited for my coffee bar this year. So this is a $3 item and it's perfect for what I have in mind. Next, I found this really cute green truck. I only saw green and there were only 3 left at my Target Dollar Spot, but I think I saw navy blue in another person's video. It does have some silver detailing and gold detailing for the headlights and a little space in the truck bed that I have a perfect idea for, and I got this thinking that I would only use it for Christmas, but this is definitely going in my fall decor. And here are the wheels, and This was only $3. I don't know if you can see that or not. Some of you like to know DPCI codes. Hopefully you can see that, and yeah, it's extra, extra cute. I was also able to snag this pumpkin. Sorry if you guys hear a little bit of noise in the background. Jose just got home. He wants to show you guys his new toy.
Hello everyone. I just got this.
What is that?
It's a drain cleaner.
Okay.
Top of the line. It's great.
How much was that?
Hopefully it gets the job done. I'm not going to let her know how much I spent, but hopefully it gets the job done.
Okay, goodbye. We're having some plumbing issues, clearly. Anyways, so I was able to snag this white and gold pumpkin bowl. This does have a lid on it, and they had a similar version last year. Last year's version was more rounded. It was like a glossy finish. It was more of a cream color, and the stem was gold, but it was a stub. And I like this one a lot better. I saw this in bright orange, I think charcoal gray, light green, and maybe navy blue. I wanted 4 of these, but there were only 3 of this white color, so I wanted either 4 or just 1, so obviously I went with just 1. And this is so cute. This is only $5, which I think is a fair price. Oh, I took off the sticker, but it is hand wash only, not dishwasher safe and not microwave safe, and that is because of the gold paint on it. So I have a really fun idea for this that I'm going to share with you in an upcoming video. And yeah, I'm just so excited to use this. This was another item that I was talking about earlier, where last year it was so hard to find these. They would put 2 of each color out at a time, and so it was like extremely difficult to get a full set of them or to even find them in general. These were packed to the gills in a really large space. There was probably at one point like maybe 10 of each color, and of course the white is the most popular, and so I wasn't able to get all 4 like I wanted, but I could have gotten all 4 orange or all 4 gray or whatever. That's just not really what I wanted. Next, I was able to find these 2 ceramic houses. Target put these out the past 2 years for Christmas. I think this might be the first fall that they have them. Correct me if I'm wrong, but these are $5 this year. They were $3 in past years, to my knowledge. I only got one the first Christmas that they put them out, so I could be wrong. These are different from the ones from Christmas 2 years ago because they are sealed, but they're like a matte finish. They're bigger, and these actually light up. So I will light them up for you. It doesn't seem like the light flickers, which kind of stinks. I like when light flickers, but that's what they look like. And they're $5 because of the light and because they're much bigger. And I'm going to put these away for Christmas. I can't wait to make a little like winter village out of these. I don't really see them as fall decor, but of course they can be. Anything you want can go, you know, with your fall decor or any seasonal decor. So here's what the sides look like. And there is one more version, but right here it had like waves, and it was really weird. It didn't make sense to me, so I left that one behind since I do have one more of these from a previous year. So now I have a set of 3. Next, I picked up this pie plate. It says, "Crunchy leaves and pumpkins, please." And I love that little quote. Sometimes some of the fall quotes can be kind of like corny and cheesy, and this one is like cute, but I don't think it's necessarily like corny. So anyways, I love that it's white and it has the orange rim and the orange pumpkin. This is going to look really good in my kitchen because my kitchen is mostly white. So I got this for $5, and it says that it is oven safe, dishwasher safe, and microwave safe. So I guess technically you can use this as a real pie plate, but I plan to use it for decoration. And it did come in, I think, 3 other designs, but this one was my favorite. Next, I picked up this 24 count of paper straws for $1. These are just black and white chevron, and I feel like these can be used in pretty much any season. They didn't have that many, or any actually, like really cute fall straws. I only saw like straws that looked like they had football plays on them, and then like a plaid that wasn't really my color scheme. It was blue and red, so I went with these. I do have black and white chevron straws from Dollar Tree that I absolutely love, so I'm getting low on those sadly, and these aren't the same, but they have kind of the same vibe. So the last two items are for Halloween. I don't do a ton of Halloween decorating. Actually, I never decorate for Halloween, but this year I will do a touch of something. And I thought this little outdoor stake set was so cute. I will get up close, but it is two separate stakes, and they're witch feet with the striped stockings and the little boots with the gold buckle. These are adorable, and they did come in, I think, like an arrow that said beware and a tombstone and another little plaque. But this was my favorite, so hopefully you can see that is what it would look like if you put it in your mom's, or of course you could put it just in your grass, or maybe even in a pumpkin, and you do attach the stakes, and it's just that like I think it's called MDF board. And I really love these. I kind of like got really excited when I saw them, which is unusual for me because I don't gravitate towards Halloween decor, but these were just too cute to pass up. I seem to have misplaced the last item, which is a dog Halloween costume. Last year I got Chip a Halloween costume from Target as well. They're $3, and they usually have a few different options in like small and medium, and I think they might even go up to large. So I have already put Chip in his costume, and I will just insert a clip of him wearing it so you guys can see it. And it was $3, and it's a cute little hot dog. So that is it for this Target Dollar Spot Fall 2018 haul. Like I said, I think I will go back at least one more time, but at this point, I have a lot of the fall decor that I felt like I needed. There are just a couple things that are left that are on my kind of needs list. Not that we really need decor, but what I need to complete my vision, I guess is what I should say. So maybe you will see another small haul. I do have quite a few hauls coming in the next couple weeks of things that I've purchased and I've been holding on to. And like I said, I'm planning on doing my coffee bar this week. So if you want to see a video on that, you will see some of these items in use. And I'd be happy to make that. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you back in my next video. Bye, guys.